Hey everyone, it's Kim Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm here with another YouTube hop video. This one is called Handmade Flowers Around the World, and I was invited to do this hop by the lovely Nicola Mason, who is my Shabby Craft Corner on YouTube. Thank you, Nicola, for inviting me. And I'm going to have links to all the ladies who are participating in the description box below. So you can go over to their channels. This is basically an inspiration hop. So you can go over and see all the different types of flowers that everyone is making. And it's just for creativity and inspiration, which I think is a wonderful thing. So everyone's making different flowers. And one of my favorite flowers to make are my little snippet flowers that I make. I used to sell them in the store, but I kind of got overrun with people buying them, and I had to stop because I was just too busy to do them. But I decided that I wanted to make some for myself, and the reason I love making these is because anything goes. You can do anything you want, and you can make them as thick as you want or as flat as you want. And flat ones are great because they fit in your journals. If you want to make them puffier, you can use any type of snippet or lace or whatever. So I'm going to be doing like an off-white, beige, white, and a little bit of pink. And I've got these really adorable little doilies, which I sell in my Etsy shop. And again, you can find the links to my Etsy shop and my social media in the description box below. So you can go over and check out the store and a lot of the laces that I'm using, I sell in my store as well. So yeah, you can do whatever you like. So basically, snippet flowers are so easy to do. You just get like a bunch of snippets and you start layering. So when I start mine, I start off with a larger piece on the bottom, and I have this really wide lace that my friend Amy sent me. Hi, Amy. Amy Love. And so I'm going to cut a piece out of that and just put that on the bottom. And when you're making these flowers, you don't have to make these things even or anything. They can just be, however you want. There's, like I said, there's no rhyme or reason, no rules, nothing. So I just kind of layer. I'm using some of this pink tulle trim from my store because I just love the way that looks. And I'm just going to cut kind of a circle-ish shape. And I'm going to put that on top. And the thing about these flowers, I like to sort of offset the layers so things are kind of going every which way. Let's see, I've got this, so we'll cut a piece of this. We'll put that down. And I've got some of this white tulle here. I think Amy sent me this as well. And we'll put that on. What else do I have? I need something with a bit of pink in it. Oh, I have this piece. This is also from my store. This might be sold out now, this pink one. So you just want to kind of alter the way you put the pieces on so it's not all going in the same direction. Let's see, what else do I have? I have this. Let's cut a piece of this. And the thing about these flowers is you can use anything. Like, these are great when you're cleaning up at the end of the day off your desk and you have little bits and bobs of lace. Actually, I want to put this one down first and then this one. And as I get higher up on the snippet flower, you want your pieces to get just a little bit smaller. Maybe I'll put another piece of tulle on here now. Good. And then I have these little flowers. Normally I would put a button or something on top, but I have these flowers, so I thought these would be pretty. This was a lace, like it was all one piece, and I cut the flowers off, but I thought it would be pretty just to put that on top. And then I have a beautiful little snippet flower, and I am going to trim that. So I like to lay everything on it first before I start gluing, and then I just flip it over. I think I need another glue stick. Hopefully my glue gun is hot enough. And you can see, just gonna start putting my pieces down. Come on, glue stick, get in there. Sorry, my neighbor seems to be cutting his grass, so you might hear a lawnmower in the background. And yeah, you just keep, I just put a little tiny bit of glue in the center, and you want to offset your pieces so it gives like dimension. And I just put a tiny little bit in the center. And then that one. And then another piece of tulle. And then I'll put some glue on my flower. Stick that down. And now this is what you have. So what I normally do is I'll go and kind of trim it. Just to sort of make it a bit more even. I'll trim that piece too. Oh, I need sharper scissors. And there you have your little snippet flower. And you can do as many layers as you like. You can see there. And then I have this little doily on the back. If you don't have doilies, I would just cut like a piece of felt. Like this is a flower that I made a while ago. And that's with the burning method, where you cut the petals and you sort of, you don't burn it, but you singe the edges with a candle or a lighter. And I did that, and then I just made a rolled rose in the center, and I just cut a piece of felt and put that in the center. Probably one of the ladies will be doing a tutorial on this, but I do have a lot of flower tutorials on my channel, so you'll be able to find lots of different tutorials for flowers on my channel. If you just go to the search, there's a little magnifying glass, and you type in flowers, they'll all come up. So there's quite a few of those. So let me do one more, and we'll do something a little different maybe. I've got some other laces here I could use. See, I even have this, which is part of a doily that I cut out. Like everything that you have would work. So I'm going to use that piece as well because I have it. Let's see, what do we got? I have this, which is the polka dot tulle trim from my shop. So I'll cut a piece of that as well. You can cut that in half. And we'll put that down, and then I'll cut this. Well, maybe I'll put this piece down first. I kind of trim the edges. And again, all these pieces I'm cutting off, you can use those on your snippet flowers. I put that down first. Then I will put the tulle. And then I've got some other small little pieces here. Like, let's just use all these little pieces. Why not? We'll just put them down. They make dimension, right? And another piece there. You can see how fast these come together. Let's use another piece of this on top, and then maybe we'll use the pearl like that. So let's just flip that all over now. I'll put a bit of glue. Super easy to do. And we're just adding our bits. Let's cut this too. This was part of that doily. And I'll put that this way. More little bits. Don't waste anything. Let's put this piece down. And this piece. And then I'll use my little pearl flower here. Put that down. And then we have another little flower. Look how cute. Just adorable. So don't waste any of your little pieces of laces or trims or fabric. You know, even this tiny little piece here is great for one of these snippet flowers. I just love them so much. And if you just use a button, they're nice and flat to put in your journal. I mean, that's pretty flat anyway. This one's got a pearl, so it probably wouldn't be as good, but it'd be great in a doily book. You know, I'm starting a doily book here so you can see how pretty that would be. Do I have a page that I finished? Yes, I'll give you a sneak peek. This is a page I'm working on for a doily book, but you can see I used a flower from an applique from my shop, but look, it looks so pretty on there. You know, you can use it anywhere. And this is a pocket page. You know, you can put it anywhere you like. They look absolutely adorable on your projects. Look how cute. So I hope that you'll give these snippet flowers a try. I'm going to make another one off camera. And I hope that you will hop over to the other ladies' channels and see the flowers that they're making. I know they're all going to be beautiful. So give these a try. Let me know if you do. And send me a photo. I'm on Facebook. You guys know where to find me. Send me a photo of the flowers you make. I'd love to see them. So take care, everybody. And thank you, Nicola, and all of the ladies who are part of the hop. I appreciate all of you. And thanks for watching. Take care, guys. Bye. And check out everybody's link in the description box. Bye-bye.